Cloud CRM also has capabilities that are accessible through your dashboard or the web interface. Those capabilities revolve mostly around the ability to export customer data from your Clover account or from your Clover devices, and then import that data into whatever other system you'd like Salesforce, Zoho, or MailChimp. So let me show you real quick. These here are the categories or the types of customers that you have, and then all of the data shown pertains to those types, right? So most of mine are not categorized. That will be 10,000 records that we will load. There it is, right? And so as records are loaded, you can see that we can also sort by whatever field we'd like, ascending, descending, whichever way. And then however you make this data appear on the screen and then you do the export, that's exactly what's going to export when you're ready to do that. And you can also choose the columns which you'd like to be included. There it is. And then you have the export capabilities such as copy, Excel, CSV, PDF, and print. So we have copy because MailChimp, for example, will take copy paste, right? So it's very handy for that purpose. And there it is. That's basically the demo of the system. So let me go ahead and just export something that's not a lot like this. I'm going to go ahead and do CSV. You save a file. You open the file like that, and there's your export, and then you can import that into whatever system you'd like. So that's Cloud CRM on the web, and the rest of the functionality is available mostly on the device. Thank you.